Early spring update on my second mule palm. This is the bigger of the two. It actually was the smaller of the two. I bought them both as very small seedlings, grew them in pots for a number of years. The other one, which isn't quite as big as this, was growing bigger, but I had a real bad pest infestation on it, and they caused damage. They caused a few of the fronds to kind of snap at the base. And so I tried to clean that up, and I brought it outside and planted it in my front yard. A year ahead of this one. So this one stayed in the pot, and that's the year it decided to take off. So last year it went out. This is a little bit more of a shadier aspect than the one in the front. The one in the front gets sun full day. This one gets sun. In the summer it would be full sun. In the winter I would say part sun at best. And the ground here is a lot more moisture retentive. So this one, first year in the ground, did quite well. It is exhibiting some of the spotting that the other one had as well, but I would say it's a little bit less. The new growth is looking nice and lush. A little bit of spotting up here, the very tips. It's probably from all the moisture. We're about 4 feet overall height, kind of maybe up there. So small trunk forming. Hopefully have a real warm or hot summer, and we'll see what this one does. So I do know someone that has a mule palm a couple hours south of me, and his is, I think his has about 7 feet of trunk, and he did protect it when it was small, but now it's at the size where it's just too big, and it has done very well in our winters. You can see here one of the old leaves. This is right before it started putting out fronds that became, kind of like differentiated. It kind of goes to the stained glass effect, the windows, and then eventually get to these nice big ones, and they're very soft. This mule is very soft. So this is a Butia. Which species of Butia, I have no idea, was used in the cross versus crossed with a queen palm, Syagris romanzoffiana. So we'll see how this guy does. Doing well so far, and the one in the front's a little bit more beat up because it's exposed to higher winds than this one. So I've shown you, and even this one too. I find that the fronds are almost like a trachea, where they want to bend over. They don't seem to be so tough. And with the mules there is variability, but mine seems to be a little bit wimpy.